What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 9 dividend payments that I got last month, which actually allowed me to get the most in regards to dividend payments. As a matter of fact, the 9 payments that I got last month totaled a little over $900. So I'm very excited to talk to you guys in this particular video about those 9 dividend payments. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 9 dividend payments that I got last month, which totaled over $900, which is the most that I've gotten in regards to dividend payments. I'll share with you the dividend payments as well as where I stand as far as what my investment looks like with each of those companies that I'm invested. But it's pretty awesome because I'm really excited about it, just because, like I said, this is the highest dividend payment that I've gotten ever since I started to invest. Most of my investments are with Apple and Tesla. Those are my biggest positions, and Apple pays dividends, but it's a small amount. And then of course, Tesla does not pay dividends at all. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is you're going to be looking at my screen. I'm going to share that with you guys. My current portfolio, my value of the portfolio is currently $206,000. This is live at the making of this particular video. And as you can see, it's $206,000 right now. But overall, if I click on all here on Robinhood all time, I'm currently down $58,000. So really, since May of 2020, I've invested $260,000. So I'm really, down substantially, as you guys can see. But I want to show you guys that to give a quick snapshot of what's going on in my portfolio. So I'm still very much down, and that's kind of why I've even shifted my investment to dividend paying stocks, right? Because yes, I'm down, but I do know that the companies that I'm invested in, that the cost of the stock, the price will eventually go up, okay? Because of course, they're solid companies. At least most of them are solid companies. Now, in regards to some of the companies that pays me dividends, some of them are a little more on the risky side, but you risk big, you win big. You risk big, you also lose big. So yeah, I guess you got to take that with a grain of salt. So I'm going to show you guys the 9 dividend payments that I got, which totaled a little over $900. So we're in my account here. And as you guys can see at the bottom of the screen, we're looking at February the 9th, which I got a dividend payment from AG&C. Then we got another dividend payment from Northwest Bank for 20 cents because I only have one share with them. Then we have Stag Industrial right above that. Then we have another dividend payment on February the 15th from Kinder Morgan, another dividend payment from February the 16th from Prospect Capital, another one from Apple, another one from Energy Transfer, and another one from Armor Residential REIT on the 27th of February. And then on the 28th of February, my last dividend payment from Gladstone Capital. Now I'm going to show you guys each of those positions. Okay, so we're going to have a look right here. So as you can see at the very bottom of the screen, I'm going to start with AGNC. So that was for $43.54. Plus the next one is 20 cents. Plus the next one is $5.67. Plus $32.67. Plus $99.96. Plus $272.91. Plus, let me scroll up here, plus $162.44, plus 206, plus 206.45, plus $85.83, and that equals $909.67. So that's the most that I've gotten in 1 month from dividend payments. Now, of course, some things are always going to be kind of shifting around in my account. Let me just give you guys a quick rundown of how many shares I had at the time when I got each of the dividend payments. So we'll start here at the bottom with AG&C investment. As you guys can see, $43.54. At the time, I had 362 shares right here, and AG&C investment is paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $43.54. The next one up is Northwest Bank. Like I told you guys, I have one share and it's 20 cents per share. I definitely am interested in getting more of this particular company that I'm invested, but we'll see what happens over time. So that's my 20 cents from Northwest Bank. Then the next one up is Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial pays monthly. Northwest Bank pays quarterly, and AGNC Investment pays monthly. So here we are with Stag Industrial. At the time, I had 46 shares. Stag is paying basically 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $5.67. The next one up is Kinder Morgan. I currently had 117 shares. Kinder Morgan is paying 27 cents per share, which I got a dividend payment for $32.67. The next one up is Prospect Capital. They do pay monthly. Kinder Morgan pays quarterly. So Prospect Capital pays monthly. Let's look at Prospect Capital. At the time, I had 1,665 shares. Prospect Capital is paying 6 cents per share, so I got a dividend payment of $99.96. Let me scroll here. The next one up is Apple. At that particular time, I had 1,186 shares with Apple. This is always fluctuating because I'm using margin investing and I'm buying and selling shares. So at this particular time, I had 1,186. Apple's paying 23 cents per share, so I got a dividend payment of $272.91. Apple pays dividends quarterly. The next one up is Energy Transfer. They pay dividends quarterly as well. I had 532 shares, and they're paying 30 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $162.44. The next one up is Amor Residential REIT, and at that particular time, I had 2,064 shares. They're paying 10 cents per share. They actually just cut their dividends. It's not going to be 8 cents. Not happy about that, but yeah. And so I got a dividend payment of $206.45. The last one up is going to be Gladstone Capital. At the time, I had 1,144 shares. Gladstone is paying 7 cents per share. I got a dividend payment for $85.83. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where I sit with every single position, right, that I just got dividend payments from. So the first one up is Amor Residential REIT. As you can see, my average cost per share is $13.35. Right now, AGNC Investment is trading for $10.79. So this would be a decent time for me to grab some more shares, but I'm always kind of dragging my feet as to investing more money in the market. But this is currently where I stand. My total return with AGNC Investment is I'm down 19%, which is $939, negative $939. The next one up is Northwest Bank. Like I said, I only have one position. My average cost per share is $14.12. Right now, it's trading for $13.42. As you can see, my total return, I'm down 4%, which is just negative 70 cents. Okay. The next one up is Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial is trading for $34.13 right now. My average cost is $39.95. And my total return is I'm down 14%, which is $270. All right. The next one up is Kinder Morgan. You can see Kinder Morgan is trading right now for $17.62. My average cost per share is $14.85. My total return, I'm up 18%, which is plus $330. The next one up is Prospect Capital. Right now, Prospect Capital is trading for $7.41. My average cost is $7.26. My total return is I'm up 2%, which is $243. The next one up is Apple. Right now, Apple is trading for $153.79. My average cost per share is $145.06. My total return is currently I'm up 6%, which is $10,000 right now with Apple. The next one up is Energy Transfer. As you guys can see, they're trading for $13.23. My average cost per share is $11.85. My total return is 11%, which is plus $751. Then we have 2 more to go. The next one up is Almore Residential REIT. My love-hate relationship with Almore Residential. I have been making more purchases. I have been getting more shares to bring my average cost down. My average cost was all the way up to like $10 at one point. Actually over $10, probably $12 at one point. So my average cost right now is $8.42. Almore Residential is trading for $5.39. This one is super duper risky as far as I'm concerned. They just cut their dividends from 10 cents to 8 cents, which is a pretty substantial cut. My total return with Almore Residential is I'm down 35%, which is negative $7,378. And then the last one up is Gladstone Capital, which is currently trading right now for $10.07. My average cost per share is $10.78. My total return is I am down 6%, which is negative $820. Okay, so that's kind of where my investments lie as far as the companies that I got dividend payments from for last month, which last month was February. Pretty exciting stuff though. I really want to get to a place where I'm putting more money in regards to dividend paying stocks. Now, of course, I already have a crap ton of money in the market, so I'm not insanely excited about dumping more money in. So we'll see how it goes. But I definitely want to get to a place where I'm getting $1,000 a month in dividend payments. That's going to be incredible. Now, when it comes to the stock market, there's different ways to make money. And obviously, I'm not going to tell you what's best for you because you should know what's best for you based on your own research and your own experience and your own experiment. Okay, just like I'm figuring my way out for myself. The purpose of this channel is just to share what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll be helpful because, of course, it's always helpful to just kind of see what's going on or what someone else is doing, right? So that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.